Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not working. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone. Enter connected devices, connection preferences and Bluetooth. Switch it off and on. If this function didn't fix the problem, you can always reset connection settings. In order to do it, let's go to System, Reset Options, and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.